welcome to Eat Your Backyard, my YouTube channel, where sometimes we make lemonade. Well, we make lemonade in December in Florida. This is a fun thing to do. We decided to make it today. Alright. Boy, there is some swinging sweetness here. Look at that. Just twist it. Just turn it like this. That's it, and then pull down. Yeah. I'll hold the lemons. Some little ones. Pull hard. There you go. That's a tiny one.
Oh.
Nice. How many do we need?
I don't know.
Is that enough?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Do you want to just go with this many? Okay. Okay, next step is to wash the lemons. There they are.
With just water.
Yeah, just scrub them. Yeah, you can just put them right here on the counter as they're done.
What?
Here, I'll help you. Production line. Keep.
Yes, production.
This one's still got a leaf on it.
Yeah. That one liked its leaf.
That's the little one. You think that one's going to taste good?
Maybe, I don't know.
It's a dud. I think that's a dud. I don't know. We'll try it. The final one. Okay, we found our pitcher. Gonna rinse out the inside of it. Get out the cutting board. That's a good one. And then we'll get a knife.
Kind of nice. The beautiful.
Now, let's see here.
Defeated.
Alright, so we'll cut them this way. Here's the stem. Now we do actually have the squeezer in there too. We could get the lemon squeezer. I guess do you want to get that?
Sure. Well, we probably should.
Yeah, look at these. They all look good. Alright, now here's the dud. Here's the dud. Oh, it's a mutant. I don't even know what way is top on it.
Clear, I think.
Looks pretty good. Good? Yeah, plenty of seeds.
Yeah, you can plant.
Yeah. Alright, it's fully operational.
It is.
Yep. Alright, here we go. Keep it still. At the end, it turns the other direction. That's one.
Oh, it murders the inside.
That's two. It's easy when you got a machine. If you live in Florida, you have to have a machine. Little one. No time. There it is. How much should we get?
A lot.
That's enough. More than enough. We'll want to dilute that.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, look at all those seeds we could plant. So many of them. Alright, I'll tell you what. Let's take this off. Okay, yeah, this is its own little pitcher. Here, go open up that garbage. Now, here, take these seeds and tap them out in the garbage here. Okay, good. It's like the easiest thing in the world to clean if it is cleaned when it's still wet. But if you let it sticky, it's just gross. Simple, simple. And then this is the finished product.
There's so much sugar.
Sweet goodness. You want to sip? Want to take a drink of it? How does that taste?
Good.
Is that sour? Alright, let's make some lemonade. We'll get it in the pitcher. Now the key is to flavor to taste. So go ahead and put in the lemon juice. You have to use all lemon juice, right? Every last drop. Good. Okay. Now, put in some sugar. We don't need to be real scientific with it, but
Do I have the whole bag?
no, pour some in there. Just pour some in. Yeah, there's not a lot in there. There's enough, though. We might end up using the whole bag. Here, pour it, pour it. Oh, no, pour the whole bag. Oh, no. There's all the sugar.
Oh, yay.
Yay, all the sugar. No, we don't. Did I trick you? Yeah. How's this sugar smell?
Like paper bag.
Yeah, like a paper bag. Alright, now. Ooh, look at that. Lemony sugar water. This would be a good drink. Maybe we just leave it like this. It's just super sugary lemon water.
Yeah.
Alright.
See you.
We gotta stir that up. Gotta stir that up. Okay, Jack's got a spoon. The witch's brew. Still granular in there. It'd be nice if we could, yeah, get all the sugar crystals stirred up. Don't get splashed in the eye. That stuff's acidic. Alright, give it a little water. Yeah, I think you're gonna have to fill it up with the faucet here. Here. Alright, let's stir that. It's bubbling.
Oh, no, it's
Bubbling brew. You know how much sugar is in regular lemonade?
No.
The amount of sugar we put in 1 cup, probably. Oh yeah, so sugary, it's unbelievable. That's why I always water mine down. How's it coming? Time to give it a little more water? Just figure it'd be easier to stir if you had less water. Still see any sugar in there?
No.
What does it smell like?
Lemonade.
Good. Just making sure. Alright, let's give it a little more water. You can leave the spoon in there while you fill it. Let it rip. We're just winging it, Jack. Alright, that's probably enough. Hopefully we didn't go over the line.
Probably did.
Too much water? Only one way to find out.
Well, I'm making it 20 though.
The sampler.
I'm making a tornado, don't disrupt me.
We'll use a fancy glass. All right, do you want to try a little spoonful maybe? Oh, jeez. How is it?
It tastes different because, like, it's not as tart. It's a less tart, and it's like has the water taste.
Is it too watery? How is it?
Good.
Does it need more sugar, more lemons, more water?
I don't know. You'd have to try it though.
No, I'm asking you.
Master.
Yeah, I am the lemonade goat. You think it's good the way it is?
Yeah.
All right, good. Let's pour a glass of it. Let's get down to it. Yeah, we're good. That's a lot of lemonade. Yeah, go ahead. Oh boy. That looks about right. It's interesting, you know, you're used to pink lemonade, this is green lemonade. Right, it's like the real color of lemonade. That looks like lemonade.
Oh my God, just taste it.
Ooh, sweet lemonade. Let me try it. It's pretty good.
I know, yeah, see?
Mmm. Yeah, it's almost like it could use more lemons. But I don't know, it might just be perfect. All right, well, there we are. Lemonade on Eat Your Backyard. That's how we do it. Let us know how you do it. I'm gonna put that in the fridge. Nice and cool. Some lemonade tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like these kinds of videos. Also, subscribe if you're not already. Turn on all notifications. That way you'll be notified as new live streams happen almost every day. In the morning, a lot. Thanks for watching Eat Your Backyard.